What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. So in today's video, guys, it is all about this crypto here called Jasmy, one of your favorite crypto and one of mine as well. So as you can see, it has dropped a little bit, 3% down in the last 24 hours, making it 0.03281. So what I'm going to be doing today is the usual price update, price prediction, looking at what potential this crypto has in 2022 and especially over the next couple of hours, days, weeks and months, and looking at, is it a good time to invest right now? Should you wait for it to dip further? Is it a good time to sell, or should you wait for it to go higher up in value? As a lot of people have been asking me a lot of different questions around this crypto on both buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again, guys, for this giveaway, there's going to be at least 3 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So in the last hour itself, it has dropped just about 1% in value. Over the last day, 4%. Over the week, 15%. So obviously every day it drops a little bit. It doesn't look like a lot, but when you look at the overall picture for the week, 15% down is quite a lot. However, for the month, we are still up 95%. As you can clearly see, it was fluctuating around the 1 cent mark, peaked all the way up to 4 cents here, nearly hitting 5 cents, and right now dropping back down in value. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see here that the trading volume has gone up by 5% in the last 24 hours, making it $418 million. So that is the amount of dollars that has been traded over the last 24 hours, which is a huge amount. And we can clearly see we still got a lot of buyers. We've got a massive 71% buy against 29% sell. So we still got people investing into it, buying the dips. And if you guys have been following me on my Telegram group chat, you would have seen what cryptos I've been buying. I'll explain more about the Telegram group chat later on if you haven't heard about it yet. Anyways, let's get straight into it. We do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now to do the technical analysis, but that's not what we're going to start with, so I'm going to hide it for now and bring it later on in the video. What we're going to do is bring out the MACD indicator to do some price predictions, as I'm pretty sure that's why most of you guys are here for. But a little disclaimer before I do that, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart. What I'm going to do is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly and daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming into the daily chart, we can see that the orange line is slightly heading towards the bullish direction, looking a little bit positive, and so is the blue line. Yes, I know the blue line looks like it is going in a straight line. However, if you look very closely, we can see that is slightly slanting towards the positive direction. So in fact, we got both the lines slightly heading towards the positive direction, meaning very minimal increases in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect very minimal increase in value. As you can see, the lines are not looking too steep at all. That means there's nothing major. Obviously, we are going to see dips in between, we are going to see peaks, but more or less it's going to fluctuate at the current price range with very minimal peaks in between. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we expect? Now we're looking a little bit more clear. We obviously got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction, meaning increases in value are expected towards mid next week and end of next week. We should expect a slightly higher value than the 3 cents, possibly hitting 4 cents or even a little bit higher than that by the end of next week and start of the week after that. But again, it's going to be a slow and steady increase in value, and of course that does not mean we're going to be seeing increases every single day for the next 7 to 8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down and green days when it's up, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect? Now we're not looking too great, guys. We got the orange line looking bearish, going in the negative direction, and so is the blue line. But of course the blue line is looking a little bit more steep, which is a little bit more obvious that he's going in a bearish direction. So overall they are both looking negative, meaning over the long run, so early May to mid May, we should expect a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. So probably dropping to about 2 to 3 cents, somewhere in between. They're hovering around that price target. However, you have to bear in mind that these are my predictions as of right now, guys. This may change according to any new updates, any new news I come across that can have a major impact on the value of Jasmy. And if you guys know me, anything urgent, I will let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well, as soon as possible, just to keep you guys in the loop and just to keep you guys updated on what's going on, if there are any major updates that can have a potential impact on it, and also to provide you guys with the most accurate predictions as much as possible. So yeah, early May, mid-May, we are not expecting anything too huge but negative outcomes. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of the MACD indicator and move on to the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, again, as I mentioned earlier about the Telegram group chat, if any of you guys are interested in what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, all you need to do is subscribe to my Telegram group chat. All the links, all the details will be in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. And again, this is limited to the first 100 people, so as soon as it hits 100 people, I'm going to lock it off and no one will be able to join. And again, guys, I'm not a short-term trader, so I don't buy and sell on a regular basis. I'm a long-term investor, so I look for the opportunity to buy and opportunity to sell. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have, just send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. So moving on to the Fibonacci scale, obviously we are still in the red zone and have been for quite a while now. Since about early January, we've been trading in the red zone and still are, and I am not expecting us to go into the green zone until about mid-year or even after that. It was going to take a while. As you can see, to get into the green zone, we have to hit the 9 cents target, and at the moment we are on the 3 cents target and expecting to go down in the coming months as well. So yeah, it is going to take us a while, potentially mid-year to Q2 to Q3 of 2022 is when I'm expecting, or towards the end of Q3 shall I say, is what I'm expecting, when I'm expecting to go into the green zone. But even then, it can do two things, guys. Once it hit this target, hit this line, the blue line that you see here, it can resist and drop back down in value, or it can break out and hit the next level, which is the 13 cents target, which I'm not expecting, because obviously the way it's been performing and the way it's been reacting with against Bitcoin and stuff like that, it hasn't been too well, and more dips are on the way, meaning it's very, very unlikely to go anywhere near this target here. But again, I will keep you guys updated. So what I want you guys to do now is comment down below your predictions, your takes on Jasmy. What is the highest figure Jasmy can hit in 2022? Comment down below, guys. I want to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. I've seen a lot of positive as well as negative comments on Jasmy, but again, I'm a holder of Jasmy and I have been buying Jasmy for the last couple of months or even years. I can't 100% remember when I first bought it, but I'm still holding it. I haven't sold it and will be buying more if it does reach a certain price target. Again, if you guys want to find out what I'm buying, Telegram is the only way. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick price update, price prediction on Jasmy. Let me know what you guys think. Any questions, any queries, comment down below or send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and answer them in my next Jasmy update. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and especially everyone who subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys so much, and I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Keep supporting and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive. And I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.